welcome back to another video. Today we have a recall from Harbor Freight. It's pretty much important safety recall notice. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour deals. And also, if you would like to help out the channel so I can buy more tools, so I can make more tool reviews, more tool videos, please feel free to subscribe. Unfortunately, that's the way YouTube runs their system. So please feel free to subscribe and hit the like button. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got important safety recall notice. I just got this in the mail today. I saw it all over social media, so might as well just make a video and let you guys know what's going on. So it says May 19, 2020, NHTSA campaign ID numbers 20E or whatever. I don't know what that means, but if you know what that means, leave me a comment down below. It says, Dear Sir or Madam, this notice is sent to you according to requirements of the National Traffic and Motor Vehicle Safety Act. Harbor Freight Tools, HFT, decided that a defect where relates to a motor vehicle safety may exist in certain Pittsburgh Automotive 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands models 61196 or 56371 and the 6-ton heavy-duty jack stands model 61197. Our records reflect that you purchased at least one of these pairs of jack stands. And I did. I actually did purchase some of these, and I used them, and nothing's bad happened. So I mean, I test them out before I put them on. I test them out really good before I went under the car. Obviously, you know, you give you always give the car the little shake, you know, make sure it's in there. So just give them the little shake before you go under the car. You got for certain units of the Pittsburgh Automotive 3-ton, 6-ton heavy-duty jack stands, there is a potential while under load and with shift weight for pawl to disengage from extension lifting post. So the little lever that goes up and down that latches into the post there, that seems to be the problem, allowing the stand to drop suddenly. This condition could cause serious injury, people near or on their lifted vehicle, or damage to property. As precautionary measure, we request that discontinue use of jack stands identified below immediately. Jack stands included, recall campaign. Yeah, so pretty much that they're saying this little lever here disengages. You got a little tab here that engages while this lever is down, and it just does it automatically when you just drop it. You know, just drop this and it just engages, drop this and engages. So in order to disengage it, you lift this and then you can put it back and forth. Anyways, that's probably what they're referring here. You got 61196 Pittsburgh Automotive 3-ton heavy-duty jack stand, so it's something like this. January 2013 to March 2020. And then you got the 56371 item number. Pittsburgh Automotive 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands. It says March 2020 to April 2020. And then you got the 61197 Pittsburgh Automotive 6-ton heavy-duty jack stands. June 2013 to March 2020. It says no further item numbers are involved in this recall. The 61196 and 61197 jack stands can be identified by checking the item number found on the yellow part of the label of the base of each jack stand. So here's an example. You would have to look pretty much right there. That would be the item number there in the label. As you guys see the label right here, it should be right there. So that's for the 3-ton and the 6-ton here. The 55631 or 371, my bad. 56371 jack stands can be identified checking the item number found on the label top of each jack stand. I guess around here. So let me just zoom in for a little bit. So this, you would see the item number on this part right there. So that's where you would see the item number on that. What would Harbor Freight Tools do? All customers who participate in the recall by returning their pairs of 3-ton or 6-ton jack stands numbers. Okay. Harbor Freight Tools will provide a gift card equal to retail price of jack stands you originally purchased, along with providing you the gift card equal to the retail price of the jack stands you originally purchased. So, so they're going to give you 2 gift cards? Is that what they, let's see here. It says Harbor Freight Tools will provide a gift card equal to the retail price of the jack stands you originally purchased, along with providing the gift cards to equal retail price jack stands you originally purchased. Harbor Freight Tools is providing 20% one-time use coupon. See the bottom of this notification. This coupon may be used towards the purchase of new jack stands or towards the purchase of any other item in the store, not subject to coupon limitations. Customer must hand the coupon to the store cashier to scan. What should I do? Following the lifting of any applicable shelter at home orders, bring your 3-ton heavy duty jack stands, local Harbor Freight Tools, to a store to receive Harbor Freight gift cards equal to retail price. Jack stands you originally purchased plus an applicable tax not to provide. So I guess you're just gonna receive one amount of money. One gift card. You're not gonna receive 2, according to this here at the bottom. So you're just gonna pretty much get what you paid for them. You do not need to provide a receipt. All you need to do is return a pair of jack stands direction nearest Harbor Freight. So you can find on the website. Okay. Believe that you returned your jack stands and the store failed to provide a gift card with reasonable period of time. Please contact. I'm glad Harbor Freight's doing this. They are they're going straight forward. We messed up. We put out an item that doesn't work. And we're going to be doing something to replace it, and we're going to help you, making it easy and just give you the money back. Plus you can, you have a 20% off coupon that one-time use coupon that you can use it to purchase your new set. Yeah, I just like the way Harbor Freight's handling everything. They're going straight forward and not, hiding anything. They're just, going pretty much being transparent. So you believe Harbor Freight failed to recommend? Okay, SWAT charge with 60 days of the day notice. Okay, so I guess this is the coupon. Thank you for being loyal customer. We regret inconvenience, but hope you understand our concern for safety paramount. Sincerely, Harbor Freight Tools. So I guess this is the coupon. It says limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Save 20% any one item purchased. Cannot be used with other discount. Coupon. Following items inside the Track Club membership. Extended gift card. Open box 3-day parking lot sale. Okay. So pretty much we got a 20% off coupon. 24.57. 12.16. That is the coupon that we have. I'm pretty sure that's like a standard 20% off coupon. I'm still gonna print it out and use it anyway. So you guys feel free to use that if you guys want to buy a pair of jack stands. So guys, just a short video for today. I just want to make this quick video so you guys would know what's going on with these jack stands. Like I said, I just got this email. It's all over social media. So don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can get more tools, more tool reviews, more tool videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.